Hello again. This is block number 6 for FatCat Patterns, excuse me, Be Happy block of the month. I am pre-fusing patches for easy placement on my applique base. Let's see, I need 6 of these. It's always nice when you're putting your patches out to find out that you actually did cut the right amount of patches out, when you don't have to go back and trace another or make another. All right, we're going to put those in place. And I'm following the layering instructions that came on the pattern. Now I might have to adjust these down a little bit. I'll wait and see. Want to make sure that your patches overlap. You want to be able to catch everything in your seam allowance. I think that needs to go up a little bit. Everything in your seam allowance. Sometimes my fingers just don't want to grab the edge of this fabric. I'm not happy with that one. Let's see. Well, that's what I want. I want to come down further. Fidget, fidget, fidget. Let me grab some tweezers. This is a little trick I've learned when you're having a problem getting it with your fingers. Grab some tweezers and grab the fabric and move it that way. I don't know why I'm not happy with that one. I must have cut it wonky. Well, let's see how much this is going to cover. I think what I want to do is, instead of placing these like this, yep, everybody come apart. See, isn't it fun? I'm going to do them petal by petal and then make the flower. Because for some reason, that's just not lining up good for me. I want that to be just inside there. Come here, tweezers. Yeah, this is going together better. Better for me. Your petals are not going to be exactly the same just because of the way we cut and the way we iron. But petals aren't exactly the same in nature either, are they? Slide under there, baby. I'm happy with that. Gently. While that's cooling, I'll get my heart leaves over here. Now, you don't have to overlap these if you want to stitch both sides. I want to overlap mine just a little bit because I'd like to only stitch it once. So I just want to catch that seam allowance. Now, ooh, that was hot. Let's get our flower put together now. And yes, I know, it's supposed to be hot. That's how it's doing its job. But sometimes you stick your finger there a little too quick. All right, let's see. I think I'm happy with that. Let that cool. Two bees. Every block has two bees. Cool, yeah. And I really like these new white Teflon sheets that I got, baking sheets. I got them off of Amazon. I got 3 of them for like $6. There we go. I'll see you when I'm putting it on the fabric again. Carrying on with placing these blocks. Okay, block 6 needs, from my bee box, what do we need? We need a left and a double. There's a double bee butt and a left bee butt. All right. Oh, quit folding up on me. Using the layering guide sheet for placement suggestions. Don't want to get it too close to the edge. Alright, the double B is going to go here. I want his little wing to go a little bit over that, and the other bee is flying away. And make sure you keep your iron on long enough to make your patches adhere. There's nothing worse than being partway in your project and you see all your applique has fallen off before you stitch it. Alright, there's one more done.